So, how are you? Yeah, like, yeah. How are you, Silver? I really like this place. It's of such beauty, which many people can't understand. Reasoning why they continue to destroy it. Hearing children enjoy doesn't really cut it for this. They continue to take up land, destroy all this beauty. It's sad. They cause the entire river to go off. Oh, dry up. Ooh, poison ivy. Don't fall. It's just sad what they did. This didn't deserve it. This used to be a pretty big river, or creek, full of life. Now it's just a dried up nothing. Oh, I didn't know you felt that way, Silver. I thought, Silver! I don't like poison ivy that much, though. I'm sorry. I didn't know you feel like that. Ribbon, what the hell are you doing? I don't know. Just chilling? Whatever. I'm really sorry, Silver. It's not all bad. At least we got shelter. Shut up. You threw me in a garbage can. I get to roast anything I want that isn't your carrying, you know. You threw me in a garbage can. Yeah, and that's considered a roast. No, that's not. When did I ask? Take poison ivy. Ooh, mysterious feet. How am I floating? Does he have two tails, you idiot? Dude, you're... Man up! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's nothing.